Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover date time. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover time module. We can get local time using local time method and local time in UTC using GM time method. We can get 24-character string from tuple or struct time representing as time using ask time method or C time method. We can get seconds from epoch using MK time method. Seconds from epoch for current time using time method. We can make the program sleep for particular time in seconds using sleep method. We can get time in specific string format from tuple or struct time representing as time using strf time method. We can convert string according to format to struct time using strp time method. We can get offset of local DST time zone in seconds west of UTC if one is defined using alt zone. Offset of local time zone without DST in seconds from UTC using time zone. Pair of locale dependent string, which are names of local time zone without and with DST using TZ name. In the next program, I am going to cover date from datetime module. We can get current date using today method. Get date from ordinal. That is number of days from 1st January 1st using from ordinal method. Get date from ISO format using from ISO format method. Replace year, month, day from date using replace method. Get year from date using year. Month from date using month. And day from date using day. In the next program, I am going to cover datetime module. We can create datetime from date using date method. Get current date time using now method or today method. Create datetime from ordinal using from ordinal method. Create datetime from datetime using datetime method. Get timestamp using timestamp method. Get year from datetime using year. Month using month. Day using day. Hour using hour. Minute using minute. And second using second. In the next program, I am going to cover calendar module. We can get calendar of particular year using calendar method by specifying with W in characters for each date, number of lines L for each week, and year formatted into 3 columns, separated by C spaces. Or using prcal method. We can get calendar of particular month and year using month method by specifying with and number of lines. Or using month method. Get month calendar in the form of list using month calendar method. Check whether year is leap year using isLeap method. Get number of leap years between years using leap days method. We can get first weekday using first weekday method. And set first weekday using set first weekday method. We can get weekday of year, month and day using weekday method. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Python program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.